Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you guys a recent Hermes purchase that I got from Macau. By looking at the size of this shopping bag, can you guys guess what that is? It is actually a bag charm, and it is the Budy charm. If you guys want to know what it looks like, please continue to watch this video. It is definitely one of my favorite bag charms ever. Let's have a look at the box. This is what the box looks like. I'm not sure with other Hermes bag charms whether the box is gonna look like this, but this is the size of the box. Let's open it up. I've actually have already unboxed it and used it after I got it. Ta-da-da-da-da. So this is the bag charm that I got. This is the Budy charm. So this is what the bag charm looks like. It also comes in a little booklet as well. I believe in the booklet it is just some basic information about the bag charm. Let me show you guys a close-up of this bag charm. So this part right here is in Noah, which is black in color. As for the body, this part right here, it is in Gris Pantin. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but essentially it is bluish gray, which is a really lovely color. And I believe this is also the newest Hermes color as well. It looks really cute. And on the side, essentially it is the same, but right here in the middle, you'll be able to see there is the Hermes logo. When I first came across this bag charm, I actually unsure about what kind of animal that is, but essentially this is a really cute dog with shilling and very fluffy, really cute. I believe Hermes has been making this bag charm for a while now. When comparing with other bag charms like the Rodeo or the Pegasus, this one I think it is a bit harder to get because I have been to so many Hermes stores. Many times they won't have it on display, so it is quite hard to get. This is my first time to see it in person, but of course I've already known these bag charms for a while. I wouldn't say I'm the biggest fan of the Rodeo or the Pegasus. This would be the bag charm that I would like to go for. And it goes really well with some of my bags. So here with me is the Lindy bag. It looks really cute with the Lindy bag. Usually when I wear my Lindy bag, I'll just put it on the side. And you should be able to tell this bag charm is actually quite large. And this is the Lindy 26 by the way. And it just looked very cute. If by any chance you guys is going to visit Hong Kong, I do suggest you guys to check out the Hermes store in Macau. It takes around 1 hour to travel from Hong Kong to Macau by ferry. The reason why I do suggest you guys to check out the Macau store is that it is very likely for you guys to find what you really like and are able to purchase the items immediately without any purchase history, just like this one right here. Last year during my birthday trip to Macau, I purchased an Evelyn in a size 29 in the color E-tube without any purchase history. I simply walk in the store and they have the Evelyn bag, because you guys know that even for an Evelyn bag, it is not the easiest bag to get. If you by any chance visit Hong Kong, do check out the Macau store. I've also checked out the Hermes China site and I've seen that this Budy charm is available for sale and there are 4 colors available right now. If you have any friends who are living in China right now, you can ask them to purchase this for you and ship it to you. However, if you purchase anything on a China webpage, it will be a tiny bit more expensive when comparing to Hong Kong. And that will be the same as Macau as well. When I purchased this bag charm, it will be around 6,000 Macau dollars. I believe in Hong Kong, if you purchase this bag charm, it will just be around $5,800. When I purchased this bag charm a couple of days ago, I believe apart from this new color, there is also an orange, which is very lovely and very Hermes, and there is also a yellow color available as well. I'm very excited to use this bag charm and probably gonna use it with other Hermes bags as well. If you guys have any questions about this bag charm, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys enjoy watching this kind of video, please give this video a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.